Do you ever find yourself daydreaming about gliding effortlessly through town on a futuristic hoverboard, feeling like Marty McFly from Back to the Future? Well, guess what, folks? The future is now! Hoverboards have taken the world by storm, blending style and innovation in a way that's sure to make even George Jetson jealous. So hop on board as we explore the best hoverboards that promise to not only elevate your commute, but also your cool factor. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Hover One Chrome 2, our pick for best budget hoverboard. Hey thrill seekers and fun lovers, let's dive into the electric hoverboard of dreams, the Hover One Chrome 2. This hoverboard is all about playtime, not your average boring commute. With snazzy LED lights that scream, "Look at me!" and Bluetooth speakers to blast your favorite tunes, it's not your run-of-the-mill ride. Zooming at speed won't have you fearing for your life, thanks to its stability, decent maneuverability, and foot pads that feel like a dream for your tootsies. Weighing in at a featherlight 15.2 pounds, even the kiddos can handle it. No handle needed, by the way. Those wheels may look pint-sized at 6.5 inches, but don't be fooled. They take on bumpy terrain like champs. Now let's keep it real here. If you're planning Everest climbs on this thing, you might be in for a bit of a crawl. Acceleration is a tad leisurely, and hills might make you break a sweat. The battery plays a solid 40-minute soundtrack at top speed. Customer service might not win a Grammy, but our daredevil test pilots had a blast. The Hover One Chrome 2 aced the party obstacle course. All in all, it's a balance between easy riding and budget brilliance. So grab your shades, hit the tunes, and let the good times roll with the Chrome 2. Number 4. SISIGAD Hoverboard, our pick for best light-up hoverboard. Saddle up, folks, because this hoverboard is here to shake up your world with its cool tech and colorful vibes. Get this, not only does it support up to 260 pounds, that's way robust for a hoverboard by the way, but with its manageable 6.5-inch wheels and newbie-friendly mode, it's like the magical stepping stone to hoverboard glory for young adults. You can start smooth and level up like a boss later on. Oh, and let's talk about style. This hoverboard comes in rad colors like orange, sea green, and classic pink. But wait, there's more! The Fun Edition series flaunts patterns like graffiti, bubbly bursts of color, and a purple galaxy that's out of this world. Feeling extra flashy? Check out the Chrome series for maximum shine as you cruise around. Now, picture this. You, rolling up to a shindig or festival on your SISIGAD hoverboard, spreading joy and envy wherever you go. Who says hoverboards are just for kids? Honestly, we're not judging if you're eyeing this board for yourself. It's all about spreading the joy and good times, no matter your age. So go on, grab a SISIGAD hoverboard, pump up the jams on that built-in Bluetooth speaker, and light up those LED wheels like the party never stops. Still searching for the perfect hoverboard? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Gyroor Warrior, our pick for best hoverboard for heavy adults. Step aside, lightweights, because the Gyroor Warrior is here to handle the heavy lifting, literally. With a muscle-flexing weight limit of up to 265 pounds, this hoverboard can carry you across tough terrains like a boss. Its chunky 8.5-inch tires with deep lugs aren't afraid of gravel, grass, or those annoyingly bumpy city streets. You'll feel as solid as a rock cruising around, thanks to the tough frame that combines ABS plastic for durability and aluminum for shock absorption, making sure you stay steady and stylish on your ride. The Gyroor Warrior is legendary for its unwavering performance standards. This hoverboard is similar to a superhero hoverboard because it can support more weight than similar products. On top of that, you can jam out as you cruise around thanks to the built-in Bluetooth speakers. Sure, it's not perfect. The range could use a little boost and it falls short of dethroning our top pick in terms of max load. But hey, nobody's perfect, right? The Gyroor Warrior is like that reliable friend who's got your back, even if they're not always the center of attention. So, if you're looking for a hoverboard that's tough, stylish, and ready for some serious action, the Gyroor Warrior is your new best bud on wheels. Number 2, Epikgo Sport, our pick for best premium hoverboard. Are you on the prowl for a swanky hoverboard that's the cream of the crop? Well, feast your eyes on the Epikgo board. This hoverboard can zoom up to 10 miles on just one charge, giving you the ultimate riding experience. The classic model, with its all-road tires, is no slouch. But if you want to kick things up a notch, the Sport model is where it's at. It's faster, smoother, and meaner, making it the envy of the hoverboard world. The Epikgo isn't just a pretty face with its larger 8.5-inch tires that can handle any terrain, wet or dry. It's IP56 rated, so water and dust won't faze it. Constructed like a tank with aluminum instead of flimsy plastic, this board can take a beating. Puncture-proof tires, slip-proof deck pads, and colors that scream sophistication like Elite Silver, Space Gray, and Rose Gold make this board stand out from the crowd. Safety is as guaranteed as fun with this board. It's UL 2272 certified and comes with LED turn signals. If speed is your thing, the 400-watt dual motors will jolt you forward faster than you can say hoverboard racing champion. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, young or old, this hoverboard will take your ride to the next level. Get ready for endless fun, style, and adventure with the Epikgo. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Swagtron Outlaw T6, our pick for best hoverboard overall. Let's talk about the Swagtron Outlaw, the ultimate hoverboard that's here to rule the roost. This hoverboard is like the king of the hoverboard jungle, and once you hop on, you'll see why it's wearing the crown. First off, the Outlaw doesn't play around when it comes to range. A whopping 12 miles. That's like cruising from here to the next zip code and back, all in style. And get this, it can handle up to 420 pounds without breaking a sweat. So whether you're light as a feather or stronger than a buffalo, the Outlaw has your back. This hoverboard isn't just a pretty face either. It's built tough to take on any adventure. No chipping, no wobbling. With its rugged 10-inch tires, you can conquer inclines, pavements, gravel, you name it. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price tag. Sure, it's a tad on the higher side, but think of it as an investment in endless fun and freedom. This hoverboard isn't just for kids, it's adult-ready too. And did we mention the built-in Bluetooth speaker? Roll to your favorite beats and style. So, if you're ready to up your hoverboard game and join the Outlaw gang, saddle up and let's ride like the boss you were born to be. Run, don't walk to experience the hoverboard of your dreams. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best hoverboards. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which hoverboard you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.